B&B exhaust. Everything works on it. Horn, turn signals. They're flush mounted. It's got a lot of miles on it, but 38,000. That's not bad. That's like how many my bike has on it. 39,000. My bike has more miles on it. So yeah, it's a good bike. It'll run alright. It'll run alright. Battle of the bikes. Mine, Emily's.